What is up, guys? In today's video, we're checking out the new update. I already did do it. I forgot to record. So yeah. All right. I'll be the weapons person. And yeah, let's go.
I'm going to get my weapons from the...
Yeah, we should probably go. So come on, bro. We gotta go quick before it despawns.
It's been 10 minutes.
Alright, bro, it's been 10 minutes. Okay, who cares about it? It's been 10 minutes. Tell this guy I'll see him at the maze.
No, where are you?
I think you should know it. You're smart enough, dude. Alright, bro. Run! Run, bro. Run means run, not stand it. Please, don't mess this up. Don't mess this up. Woohoo!
I messed up.
Alright.
Wait, why do I even need this thing?
Because it helps our trail, maybe? Okay, come on.
Yo, dude, I don't have enough.
I don't care. I have one.
Oh, I just touched the button, I think.
Alright.
Oh! Where did that bush go?
My stuff's right here. I think I found my stuff.
I died.
Oh. Well, hey, we found yours.
This is exactly my stuff.
Wait, my stuff is over here.
How'd you even get all the way over here, bro?
I don't know, bro.
And where's the rabbit?
It's not a rabbit.
Where's the chicken?
I don't know, but I don't want to find it. I want to get that egg.
It's gonna taste real nice. Where are you?
Bro, it's really not that gosh dang hard. Like, follow the trail. Like, I have it for a
Just touched
reason.
the button!
No, you didn't. Don't even have a light.
Dude, what are these goofy on noises?
It's... Okay. Do not press that button. The chicken is right there. Okay. What's gonna happen is we're gonna look for a bush. Do not get close to it. Alright, bro. Where's the bush? Okay. Remember,
Go.
the trail. I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna shoot it and we're gonna run in that bush, okay? Okay! No, that was a lot bigger than I thought!
No, he's hitting me!
He's pushing me! Dude, he's pushing me! No, what? It was pushing me! Oh my god. That's so wrong. Dude. It was pushing me! You guys saw that, bro. I was literally in the middle of pushing me. I can tell that. I saw. Oh my god. Alright, well.
He was just pushing and pushing.
Alright, I'm done with this guy, bro. I'm killing him with a shotgun. Where's my shotgun?
I'm killing it with my own hands.
Yeah, like we're gonna do that.
I accidentally used the wrong jump pad.
Bro. Alright, bro, I can't wait, bro. I'm killing him already. I'm leaving.
Walkie on my radio.
Tired of this, gosh, bro. How?
You guys can hear me? Just
Dude, they can obviously hear you. It's really not that gosh hard. Alright, bro. I'm killing this guy. -2 seconds.
I might be stuck somewhere that I don't.
Cause, dude, that's so unfair, bro. He freaking pushes you out of the bush.
I actually made it all the way through the forest on the top. Where are you?
Waiting. The trail.
What?
The maze. What do you think?
All right.
Yes.
I can't get past the.
We're close. Shouldn't be able to hit me from up here.
Yeah, what's up, Mike? Dude, you made it. No, you made it so far. You're almost at the egg.
I am.
Frog. Yes, sir. No, you're at the egg.
I think I know that.
No, you're at the egg.
I got it.
No, he's coming your way really fast.
I know. I see it. Oh, frick, how is it killing
No,
me?
he's stuck on the corner. Don't go that way. He's that way. Run.
Ow! Oh, God.
Don't go down. No, get the egg.
I killed him. Oh, thank you, shotgun. Thank goodness I had a shotgun. I'm 2 hit. I'm like 2 hits. Dude, I'm like 2 hits. Dude, where am I? Shut up, Josie. His girlfriend.
You're going straight to the ticket. You're going. Never mind. You're not. Never mind.
Please tell me if I'm going the right way or not. I'm not.
Okay, stay where you are.
Oh my God. I hear you guys.
Okay, don't come. He's camping. Okay, you in the Squid Game. Go left. Noah?
Yes.
Right there. Go. Behind the bush. Dude, don't go by spawn. He's right there at spawn.
I have a grappler.
I tracked him away, bro. He's honestly like at spawn, dude. He's like.
I'm here!
Dude, he's like actually
Guys,
like,
I'm here! I'm here!
No turtle, it's me. No turtle, it's me.
I know, it's you. As soon as I heard him say Squid Game, I knew it was you. I'm out of this place! Yeah! Mission successful!
Is your name Noah?
Yes. Mission successful! I'm keeping
Turtle,
this.
Is your name Noah?
Yes.
My name's Noah. See ya.
Okay.
No, my name's not Noah. It's the one after that, Kikono. Noah, do you have that? My brother's name is Noah, though.
I have it.
Is that you? Who is that?
Have it? Yes.
Oh.
Dude, oh my gosh, that was honestly the hardest thing to do, bro. I was literally 2 shots away after I killed him from dying. Dude.
What'd you kill?
I killed the chicken. Turkey, whatever.
Oh,
Dude.
no kidding, he went back to the,
You want to get money? You want to get money?
really fast.
Yeah, I mean, this sells for a lot.
That was insane how he got back, like...
Bro, what? How much does it sell for now?
I mean, not really a lot, but...
No, so far that was 20 minutes.
Oh my gosh, bro, you and your timer. So, like, do you have shotgun ammo unlocked? Cause,
Yes, I own everything though. I own everything unlocked. You should know this.
Can you buy me some?
No,
because
I got you.
You know, I kind of wasted both my bullets.
Dude, you should already know I own everything in the game. I have no money. After I buy this, I'm out.
Okay, I only have 9,000, so I'm kind of...
You, Red. Can you buy me a whole bunch of tiny broccoli?
He's broke.
If I can afford it.
How much do you have?
Surprisingly, I can afford a lot. I can't afford it anymore.
Dude, that was so hard. I mean, I have a bag full of broccoli, but I don't feel like using it.
Let's go get money, bro. Let's go get that egg again.
All right, bro.
Okay, let's go.
Honestly, we just
two
need a
of us.
shotgun.
Yeah. Here's a go turtle.
Yeah?
Noah. Sorry, I have to get used to calling you that. Noah, can I call you Noah? Turtle?
Like, what do you mean call me?
Noah.
Like,
can I call you
on
Noah?
Meta Quest? Oh, call me Noah, yes.
Yeah.
And if you don't like calling me Noah, you can call me NJ. That's my nickname.
You can call
Okay.
Okay, I have a shotgun
Noah,
for you.
no, do I have one? They're both full of ammo, right?
You can call me
Yeah,
Rizzler.
they're both full
You
of
can
ammo.
call me Rizzler.
His real name is...
Let's go. Let's go, Noah and Rizzler. I'm gonna have to get you.
Bruh. They actually both stepped on a landmine. It's crazy.
I did not step on a landmine.
I know,
he
it was
stepped
him.
on a
I could
landmine,
tell.
and then I died.
That wasn't me. That was Red. That was Red.
Oh my gosh. I literally saw. I didn't.
Okay, then who did?
You want probably you.
That's why you're gonna go.
Alright, beast.
Yo, you guys wait. I don't have crap.
Oh yeah, I kind of forgot about that.
I'm not gonna wait.
No!
No.
Oogly boogly. Oh, he's chilling.
Wait.
He's still at phone.
Wait.
Do we want one of
He's
these
not.
things? Do we want one of these
Where's
things?
the egg? Where's the egg?
Do we want one of these things?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you buy one,
No,
because I'm
no.
broke. Well, yeah.
No. Bro, I'm slipping.
Use your guerrilla type skills. Instead of staying there, you gotta
Noah.
move.
Yo,
Dude, do
Noah.
this, do
Noah.
this, do this.
Noah. Oh, what's
Yeah?
it called? Noah.
And then do this.
Oh, you're gonna want to need these because when you're trying
Yeah,
to get.
I know. Yeah, that's why I'm buying one.
I'll
What
get one
happens if you
too.
fall
I'll
down
get one too. Cause I only. Oh,
I
Hey
got
guys,
you.
chicken's right here.
oh, it's 1,000. It's 1,000.
Yeah.
I fall. I thought it was 100.
Okay, guys, be very careful. Oh, he hit it. Run. He gosh dang hit the button.
Hey.
Here, how about you be the person to track us? I'll be the weaponry. Alright. Okay, guys, I think we need to go over here.
I'll track you guys. He spawned.
Okay, yeah, because you don't have anything. Yo.
I'll guide you guys.
Oh. Wait, well, what do you want me to call you?
Key Connor.
Okay, guys, chicken's pretty.
If you can't, I'm out of stickers. I repeat, I'm out of stickers.
Okay, that's fine.
I use these.
Go.
You should
go,
use
go,
them like
go.
every...
He's about to get out.
I knew.
He's right there! Get in the bush! Get in the bush! White arrow! Get in the
I'm hiding.
blue arrow! Get in the... Hey,
There's a button right next to it.
antlers?
I'm cooked. There's a button that I keep on accidentally pressing. Yo, did you kill him? Did you kill him?
What is happening?
You got it.
Who's getting attacked?
I have no idea. Yo, did you kill him?
Is that Noah who's getting attacked?
No. Frick. Squid Game dude died. Koa died.
No! I'll save you. Go, get back fast.
Bro.
He's right by the end. Okay, face toward your right. Stay on the wall, you. No, run! Go back! Go! No! Chicken! Yo! Chicken's going! Guys, get back! I have enough. Okay, he's gone! Go! Go! Chickens, get back! Noah, get back! Can you guys hear me?
Yo. Okay. Yes.
Can you guys hear me?
I said yes. Okay.
Okay,
Kirby,
good.
right here with you.
Run.
Yeah, I have a shotgun.
Noah, you're stuck in a corner.
Dude, I know that. I can see.
Yo,
No, I
guys,
didn't mean to.
another one of my friends joined. That's fine.
Is it Skelly?
Not Skelly. It's another friend. Skelly's not on yet.
Oh my gosh, I found it.
Found it?
Yeah, it's over here.
Where are you?
I don't know where you are.
I hear you.
I hear you. Yo, right here. You
Where
can see
are
him.
you? You guys are ablaze.
Shoot him.
Did it.
Ow. Get out your shotgun. Throw me home.
I don't have mine.
Yes, you do. It's on your hip. No. Wish me luck.
Who are you?
No, God.
Speak on your watch, puppet. Hi. Oh, where are you? I have not entered the maze yet because there's big spooky. Hey, ogre? That ogre?
Guys, I'm getting a shotgun.
Lady. The one with the really weird hair that covers your face. Oh, they are literally just sitting there, not doing nothing, and I can't go through. Come on, here's the chicken.
Hey guys, I'm coming back. I got the egg.
Oh, too bad. Pop it, pop it. Pop.
Okay, did not realize it was empty. Wait, how is that, you guys?
Okay. I'm gonna need to
Sneak attack! Okay, oh, frick, I can only move so much. Very fast.
Okay guys, I might need to quit the game and turn back. This is my only hope.
I got you, bro. I'm pushing the button.
Oh, frick! No, that's very...
Hey, give me a little.
Okay.
I'm very slowly making progress.
I gotta stay high.
I'm trying to get you and then run around.
I hate how he jumps. Like, why you gotta have him jump?
I'm pushing everybody I see.
Dude, he's too much onto me.
You just gotta run.
I gotta hit a push. Let me heal real quick. Stay.
Guys, I think the chicken is... Don't go that way, don't go that way, don't go that way. Yo, squid in.
Where do I go?
I'm trying to get him to crush me. You don't turn, that's the chicken, you go her. He's right next to the chicken.
Dude, I hear you! No, right here! You passed me! You're cooked!
Yeah, you're gonna die. You're
It's
gonna die.
Run! Get...
Yo, you stop. The chicken is doing a lot. Oh, you do keep right. Why is there arrows on the floor? Who did this? I didn't.
I'm coming back. I hear this cookie version.
It's fine, as long as you don't have a light, we're fine.
Okay.
Same.
No, I can't.
It's not a
Oh,
wagon.
Robin is right here. He's too spooky.
Help me, please.
Please have ammo. I don't have ammo. You have to do it the dangerous way. Try to go on that bush. Go over to that bush. Or that one. Choice is yours.
No, I'm gonna go this way.
If I go on the bush, it doesn't hurt me.
We found the chicken that's trying to attack us. Please help.
I'm gonna get the pickaxe, okay? I'm just gonna take
Oh!
Yeah, shouldn't have that happen. Demons, look.
That is true.
Don't fail me.
I'm gonna push the button and lead it over here, okay? I have him. Ah!
Somebody shot.
Don't even be joined, please. How do I get out of here? Puppet, wait, I'm coming. That's crazy, bro. I did not need to know that. But thank you. And I died. That's not good. It's good for... I'm gonna help me, I'm stuck. Okay, no one down. Down shot.
Hey, bro, can I sell this real quick?
Okay, I'm coming.
He's only too obsessed with downside. That's okay.
Blue, I see you on the map. You are currently not going the right way. You gotta go back. No, go back. Yeah, that way. Take a...
Follow my boy! Follow my boy! Hey, follow my boys, come on!
There's a chicken at the entrance. Do not come yet. The chicken is at... He's coming for you.
I have a grab, but it's fine.
Run.
I know the way. To die.
He knows the way.
Yeah. I'm leaving this place once and for all. Yeah, guys, I'm long gone. No, don't you dare bring me back. I am not coming ever again.
I'm dead. Look at you guys.
I have it. I have it with all its glory.
How? The chicken was like 4 billion yards away.
Yeah. We have it. And to celebrate, I shall go.
Can you sell it?
Woo.
You know what? Down shot.
How about maybe? Alright, bro. Guys, instead of selling this, I'm going to keep it in cash because this is going to be gone someday.
Yo, who got the egg? Who got the egg?
I got it.
I'm going to down shot.
Alright, well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Because that is the end. Stay happy. Enjoy life. And as
Pop
always,
it! Pop it!
Don't stop.
peace.